Wagwan beautiful people, I am ChevB. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Wagwan. Make sure to subscribe down below. So we're about to style this unit from IseeHair.com, and I just want to show you guys what I got in my package first of all. So you're gonna need this band when it's time to melt your lace. But straight out of the package, this is what the unit is looking like. This is their Mongolian hair, and it's a kinky curly hair in 30 inches. Now I want to show you guys the lace. Do you see the natural curls on this lace frontal? Like, it's supposed to mimic like natural hair, almost like a 4C type texture. And I just think that's bomb that a lot of wig companies are doing this now, because like we need that natural look in the front. Like, it's not always silky straight type of look, you feel me? Sometimes it's natural. So I want to show you guys what the hair is looking like after I washed it. So I made sure to co-wash the hair first of all, because I wanted the real natural curls for this wig to really pop through. So first thing that I'm going to be doing is applying my wax stick onto the hair just to clean up my parting, and then I'm going to go in with the hot comb. I'm using a hot comb here because it's dry where I'm putting it and not on the actual wet part of the hair, so you don't want to do that, okay? So then I'm going to go in with this bristle brush to just comb the curls, just make sure that it doesn't have any tangling, and also I want to make sure that the hair isn't shedding. So I wasn't experiencing any shedding with the hair. So if you do decide to pluck the frontal, I didn't want to pluck it because I want to show you guys what it looks like as is, so I didn't pluck it. But if you end up plucking it, you want to just make sure that you wet it afterwards to just comb out all types of loose hair in it, so you don't mistake that for any type of shedding or anything like that. So always co-wash our curly hair. It makes life so much easier. I'm just going to take some mousse just to make sure that the curls are defined and all the way together. Now, I'm a lazy girl. A lot of my methods are lazy girl friendly, beginner friendly. I'm gonna dumb it down for y'all when it comes to wig install. Like, it's never anything crazy with me. Very simple. Just get you a stocking cap and you're good to go. So I just want to show you guys what the hair looks like when it's fully dried. And this is after I use the mousse, and also this is what the baby hair looks like after I put some mousse on there. And then I'm gonna put some foundation powder on the lace, because even though the lace is transparent, like it's really transparent, but the lace itself, I needed to match my natural complexion. So I'm just going to use my Fenty matte foundation powder on there. But if you are a girl that really knows how to do the ball cap method, this wig will be so good for you, because you see how see-through that is. You can see my stocking cap. Okay, so I'm gonna fix that later on, but for right now you're gonna be seeing some stocking cap, because the lazy girls, we're gonna need to blend this. Okay, so I made 2 slits in the hair, or not the hair, rather on the lace, and this is just my method of installing my units, because it makes it so much easier to melt the lace when I do this process. And also when I spray the EBIN lace spray underneath, it gives me more control of how to install the lace. So I spray that underneath, and then I take my blow dryer and then just dry it. And this is just your pre-round of melting. This is not the final stage, because you're gonna have some lifting afterwards, so just keep that in mind. And also, like, look how see-through this lace is. Like, this lace is just freaking amazing. Anywho, so I'm just gonna dry that just for a couple of seconds until I'm satisfied and it's all tacked down, and then I'm gonna take my scissors and just go around my natural hairlining. I wanted to mimic what my natural hairline looks like and all that good stuff. And I just want to say how shiny and pretty this hair is. Like, it's giving fullness and it's giving life. Like, y'all know I live for a full curly hair. Now, once you cut off your excess lace, you're gonna have some lifting. Don't be alarmed, like, that's super natural. Remember, this is the pre-round of melting. And I just want to show you guys what the curly hair looks like. You know, a lot of time it's so hard when you're melting a lace and it just doesn't melt super invisible. Like, this is gonna help your lace to be hidden, like with the curly coily hair in the front. Like, it's absolutely giving. So I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation powder, just try to blend that. Remember I said with the lazy method and with a lace so transparent, you're going to need to put in some work to hide the front. Like, you're going to need to like make sure that it's hidden. So now I dab a little bit of spray on my fingertips just to melt the lace that was lifted, and then I'm going to take the band that I showed you guys earlier, or you can take a whatever elastic band that you have, and just tie that down to melt the lace. Like leave that to dry for at least 10 minutes, and then you're gonna see how melted your lace is. So now I'm just gonna fluff out the hair, show you guys what the hair looks like. Like look how pretty this hair is. Like I'm so obsessed with the curl. Like look at the ends. A lot of time when you get curly hair, the ends look so trashy, but this is giving curly from roots to the very tip, and I'm loving that. Look how bouncy and full it is. Love, 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 love it. And I didn't even trim the hair in the front to frame my face. It just did that, but you could definitely trim it to get a better framing for yourself. But that 30 inches though, she is bouncing and she is full. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the details that you will need to know for this unit will be in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to say subscribe. Like I'm gonna say it a million times, make sure to say subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok at damn that's Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.